Hello friends, how are you guys today? I will tell you how you can earn money from Midjourney. So let's start. If you have not subscribed to our channel, before then we request you to subscribe to our channel. First of all, you have to save a lot of Midjourney art in your gallery, and I already done it. As you can see, a lot of art in my gallery and I can sell them too. For that you have to go to Fiverr. As you can see here, AI service are popular service. Here if you search Midjourney you will get many gigs. And they are quite simple. You can also save money by working on this service as there is very little competition. Goodbye. If you like this video of ours, then share your opinion in the comment box on what to make the next video.